How to delete all apps on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete all apps on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you would like to delete all apps on Android, for example on a Samsung phone, selecting them one after another is just a hassle. So I would like to delete all of these at once. And to do all of these at once, what you can do is you can just open up your Play Store and you can delete them from your Play Store by tapping the profile icon from the top right, going to Manage Apps and Devices, going to the option called Manage, and then here just make sure Installed is selected. Then just select all of these apps that you would like to delete at once. You don't have to press them over and over again. Just make sure to select the apps you'd like to delete, and then just tap the trash icon from the top right hand side as you can find there, and then make sure to delete all these apps at once. This way you can delete all apps on Android. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.